Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Gum Denture Brush is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining the cleanliness and longevity of your dentures, ensuring a confident and comfortable experience every day. This specialized brush is designed with unique features to effectively remove food particles and plaque from all surfaces of your dentures, including those hard-to-reach areas, without causing damage. Investing in a quality denture brush like this one is crucial for oral hygiene and can significantly contribute to your overall well-being by preventing irritation and potential infections. Number 5. EasyHonor Extra Sensitive Toothbrush, 6-pack. Introducing the EasyHonor Extra Toothbrush, designed with your sensitive gums in mind. Experience a new level of gentle cleaning. Its advanced microfiber design features 20,000 soft floss bristles. This ensures a thorough yet incredibly gentle clean, reaching every corner. Perfect for pregnant women, the elderly, those with braces, or anyone experiencing gum recession. It provides the delicate care you need. This toothbrush is specifically engineered to protect your fragile gums. Say goodbye to irritation and discomfort. Get a pack of 6 toothbrushes, ensuring you always have a fresh, gentle option available. Maintain optimal oral health with ease. What we like? Experience unparalleled gentleness with its microfiber bristles. If you have extremely sensitive gums, are pregnant, or wear braces, this is designed for you. Its unique floss bristle technology offers a deeper clean without irritation. What people say? They're so soft and I feel like they leave my teeth cleaner than a traditional toothbrush, or even an electric toothbrush. The soft bristles clean well without being harsh, making daily brushing more comfortable. It's small enough to hold and reach all my teeth, easily reaching the very back of the back molars, and so far it has stood up and proven to be far more durable than I anticipated. Number 4. GuruNanda Butter on Gums Toothbrush. Introducing the Butter on Gums Toothbrush, designed for ultimate comfort. Its ultra-soft bristles provide a gentle yet effective clean, perfect for sensitive gums. This toothbrush is ADA accepted, ensuring it meets high standards for oral care. You can trust it for a safe and effective brushing experience. Experience the difference with over 8,000 ultra-soft Softex bristles. They are meticulously designed to clean thoroughly without causing irritation. Specifically crafted for those with receding gums, this brush offers a soothing clean. It helps protect and care for delicate gum lines. Not only does it care for your gums, but it also helps reveal a wider smile. Achieve a brighter, more confident look with every brush. This convenient pack includes 6 toothbrushes, ensuring you always have a fresh one ready. It's a great value for maintaining your oral hygiene. What we like? This toothbrush is ADA accepted, ensuring quality and effectiveness. If you're looking for a brush that's incredibly soft yet effective for sensitive and receding gums, consider this. It's also designed to help achieve whiter teeth. What people say? The brush has a dual head design, with a larger brush for cleaning the denture surfaces and a smaller angled brush for reaching difficult areas. The bristles are firm yet flexible, effectively removing food particles and plaque without damaging the denture material. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver the brush for thorough cleaning. Number 3. Gus Craft Denture Cleaning Brush Set. Discover the ultimate solution for your denture care needs. This premium set is designed for superior hygiene and effective cleaning. Achieve a new level of cleanliness with our specially designed brushes. They ensure your dentures are impeccably maintained. Experience the power of our multi-layered bristles. They are engineered to reach every crevice for a thorough clean. Enjoy a comfortable grip with the ergonomic rubber handle. Cleaning your dentures has never been easier or more comfortable. This set is built to last, providing you with reliable denture cleaning performance. Keep your dentures fresh and clean with ease. Choose your preferred color from our stylish blue and orange options. Add a touch of vibrancy to your daily routine. What we like? Achieve superior denture hygiene with its specialized dual brush heads. If you need a comprehensive cleaning solution for your dentures, this set is ideal. The ergonomic handle and multi-layered bristles ensure a comfortable and thorough clean. What people say? The brushes are ingeniously designed with dual bristles. The firmer side tackles stubborn debris effectively, while the softer side ensures a gentle clean. This versatility makes it ideal for dentures and natural teeth, effortlessly removing food particles stuck between teeth. The ergonomic design is a boon for those with limited hand mobility, making it easy to maintain a firm grip. These work great for my snap and dentures. I like that they are individually packaged too, which makes storing the extra one easy. Number 2. Oral-B End-Tufted Denture Toothbrush. Introducing a specialized toothbrush designed for denture care. Its unique design ensures thorough cleaning for your dentures. This brush effectively removes plaque and food particles from denture surfaces. Achieve a superior clean every time. It's designed to be gentle on your dentures while providing a thorough clean. Maintain the integrity and cleanliness of your oral appliances. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for easy maneuvering. Cleaning your dentures has never been more convenient. Proper cleaning is essential for maintaining your oral hygiene. This tool helps you achieve that with ease. Trust in Oral-B's commitment to oral care innovation. Experience the difference a dedicated denture brush can make. What we like. Its specialized end-tufted design excels at cleaning around orthodontic appliances. If you wear braces or have dental work, this brush is perfect for reaching tricky spots. It provides a focused clean where you need it most. What people say. It's super easy to use. I like the way they reach around my back molars, and I like that it can reach spots that my regular brush simply can't. It is a micro brush head of 4 small bristles on an angled head with a 4-inch reach meant for cleaning hard-to-reach spaces in the mouth. Number 1. Denture Cleaning Brush, Dual Bristle Heads. Tired of ineffective denture cleaning? Discover a revolutionary way to keep your dentures sparkling clean and fresh every day. Its unique dual bristle heads are designed to reach every crevice, ensuring a thorough clean that traditional brushes can't match. For those hard-to-reach spots and stubborn residue, the integrated deep clean pick provides targeted cleaning power. Ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, it makes the daily task of denture cleaning simple and efficient. Choose from a variety of vibrant colors to add a touch of personal style to your oral care routine. Invest in your oral health and confidence. Experience the difference a truly clean denture can make. What we like. Get a thorough clean with its dual bristle heads and integrated deep clean pick. If you want a versatile brush that tackles both general cleaning and stubborn debris, this is a great choice. The dual functionality makes denture maintenance efficient. What people say. It has the long bristles that reach all the crevices. And the regular bristle side is big. Nice brush gets in those places that you need to clean on your dentures. It has firmness to it. The size of the brush itself fits well in my hand. The size of the bristles is perfect for reaching all the places it needs to. The stiffness of the bristles is great for cleaning what it needs to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.